Hi, so this question is reconstruct original digit from English. So basically this is pretty dumb question, so let's look at this. Um, so you are given the string s, be honest, and then whatever you have, right? This is going to be what? A digit in English letter, but it's in different order. So let's look at this. So 0, right? 0 represent ZERO, and then 1 represent ONE, 2 represent TW, right? And then you can find, oh, 0 is right here. 1, come on. Use this letter, alright. Color, and then E, and then R, and then O, right? And then O, alright, come on. O, and then N, and then E, and then T, and W, and then O, right? So you will definitely match every single letter with the digit, right? So one thing is what? We need to figure out the 1 to 9, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, right? So once we traverse all the letters in the content array or hash map, doesn't matter which one you use, and then we can definitely tell what in all these letters, Z is what? Unique, right? So I would definitely tell, okay, how many frequency we have for Z, then we definitely know how many times we have for 0, right? So I would say, oh, number, the frequency for 0 is going to be based on what? The content array as Z, right? And then 1 might not be good because they are definitely sharing character with others. Let's look at this. 5, which is what? You have what? V? No, V is not. V you share with 8, right? So let's look at, keep looking. W, 2, right? So 2, W is unique in this all these letters, alright? And then how about 4? 4 you have unique for U, right? Yeah. And then 6, 6 you probably have unique for X, probably, right? And 8 for unique for G, right? Alright, so this is what we have for unique, right? So let's come back to the first one we can eliminate. So we can come back to what? 1. So 1 we're using, we select the frequency of all, right? And then we see, oh, 0 showing the same, letters, right? So 1 would be subtract the 0, the number of time for 0, number of time for 2, right? Number of time for 4, right? And yeah, that's it, right? So 1 is going to be represent, the total frequency minus 0 minus 2 minus 4, right? So you will get this one, so you will eliminate this one. So these are all defined already. So what's the next? Next would be 3, right? So what do you have showing? H, right? So we select the H, and then minus 8, right? So we get this frequency for 3, and then so we can talk about 5 because letter F, right? You only have what? 4, right? So minus 4. And 7 will be the next one because I can look for S, right? So letter S minus 6. And 9 would be what? Doesn't matter which one you use. Letter I minus 5 minus 6, right? 6, and then minus 8, right? And once everything finished, I'm going to traverse, right? So I will have what? the numbers, the counting, I mean the frequency ready, the number storing the letters ready. So I will have numbers from what 0 to 9, right? It has to be returned in ascending order, and I will just traverse all of the numbers. So number 0 can have what 2, right? Yeah, 2 of 0, right? Number 9 can have what 3 of 9, right? So it has to be ascending order. So it has to be 0 0 1 2 3 4 4 5, 7 9 9 9 9 9, right? If you don't have 6 and 8. Alright, so this question is really dumb, but it's pretty challenging for sure. Alright, I'm gonna say counting array for storing 26 letters. So for char C, let's start to char array. Just get the character and then we store into the counting array. Alright, once we have it, we just create numbers from 0 to 9, so it's 10 space, right? So numbers at 0 is going to be represent what? The counting array z minus 8. And numbers at 2, I'm going to just copy this. Actually, just copy entire things. And then it's going to be 2, it's going to be w, right? W minus this guy. And then numbers 4 will be u, right? And then number 6 will be what? X. Number 8 will be G. Alright, so I made a mistake. Like this has to be what? Character, right? Character. ASCII value. Okay. Alright, numbers. Next one will be number 1. Number 1 will be what? The counting for frequency O. So it's still, sorry, come on. O minus numbers at 0 minus numbers at 2 minus numbers at 4, right? So next one will be numbers 3. Counting array at letter H, showing the same with 8, right? So numbers at 8. Alright, so next one will be 5, will be what? F, showing with 4, right? 4 is already defined, right? And then number 7 will be S, showing with 6. Alright, last one will be 9, showing the I believe. Numbers 5 minus 6 minus 8. Alright, once we have it, then we need a string, right? So we're using the string builder. Return sp dot to string. Alright, so I traverse from 0 to 9, so less than 10. And I'll need to see how many frequency is stored into the numbers at I. If this is greater than 0, basically I just keep appending the I, right? I into the string. And I will decrement the count, right? So let's look at this. Probably I don't have mistake, hopefully. Cool. So make sure this will be better. Still doing the same stuff. Okay, cool. Time and space. This is space. This is space. I would say constant. All of 26, all of 10 doesn't matter. And this will be the space as well. But technically it's smaller than this guy for sure. Time for this is all of n. N represents length of string s. This is constant, all of 10. Number of frequencies better shorter than constant. So the worst case for this one is going to be this guy. And yeah, if you have question, leave a comment. See you later. Bye.